Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to talk about Tiny Einstein. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you are not getting the sales as expectation by investing a lot of time using a lot of tools, then you can continue this video. Here I am going to share ultimate guideline to grow your business, to boom your sales by using AI powered marketing tools, that is Tiny Einstein. So let me introduce with you Tiny Einstein. So first of all, you have to know what is Tiny Einstein. Tiny Einstein is an AI marketing manager that help you grow your Shopify store 10x faster with almost zero time investment from you. I want to say again, Tiny Einstein is an AI marketing manager. So must remember, it's AI marketing manager.
Chat GPT.
Chat GPT.
Developed by OpenAI.
Viral sensation that,
Even the Chat GPT moment apparently reinvent the way you use the web.
Now I want to share some things about AI because this is most important things and relevant with these tutorials, and you must have to know about that. So let me say something about AI. The global AI market will reach a size of $500 billion in 2023. Almost 28% of people fully trust AI, while 22% claim to the generally accept it. A whopping 83% of companies consider using AI in their strategy to be a higher priority. The number of businesses using artificial intelligence grew by 300% in 5 years. So I hope you have get an idea why you must consider AI, and Tiny Einstein is fully AI marketing manager. So what can do Tiny Einstein for your business? Tiny Einstein reflects your email service provider, and your marketing manager saves your tens of hours and thousands of dollars in expense. So now let me introduce with the Tiny Einstein website and share the more details of Tiny Einstein, how you can use it, what is the price, and how you get discount, as you are my viewers and you are the subscriber of this YouTube channel. So I wanted to share the custom discount from myself of Tiny Einstein. So let me go back my screen and share the full details. So I hope you will watch this full video, and of course you must try Tiny Einstein. So let's go back my screen and let know the full details about Tiny Einstein. I recommended personally to use Tiny Einstein. Welcome to Tiny Einstein. This is the official website of Tiny Einstein. Start automating in less than 2 minutes. Plan start at just $3 per month. You have to just enter your email address and your Shopify store URL and click on the sign up to add Shopify. So simple. Let's see how it works.
Tiny Einstein reads your website and automatically sends emails with your brand assets and tone of voice, using templates, sequences, and calls to actions used by the top e-commerce brands. Your email marketing won't look like this anymore. Tiny Einstein is a complete solution that manages all your messaging programs with next to no effort on your part. Automating your email marketing with AI will save you hours a week, improve your relationship with your customers, and increase your store's sales.
So what is the pricing plan? You can start 7-day free trial, also starting at $3 per month, and you can calculate your cost from here. Look the screen very carefully. For example, you have 100 contact, then you have to pay $3 per month. If you have more contact, looks here. If you have 10,000 contacts, then you have to start at $162 per month. You can send unlimited messages up to 10,000 contact and upgrade as you grow. So what you will get with this price? You will get store data, pop-up from AI master template, AI abandoned cart, AI purchase confirmation, AI welcome message, revenue reporting. So get started in 2 minutes. And the most important part, automatically create your master template with your brand voice and style. Tiny Einstein creates stunning on-brand email and send them for generating conversion and revenue. Enable complex automation in literally one click. And finally, turn up more automation coming soon. Trending products, Instagram boost, holiday special promo, seasonal special promo, repeat customer feedback survey, lapse customer feedback survey, top product roundup, coupons and discount, welcome deals and promos. And you will find this app in the Shopify App Store also. So I hope you understand everything about tiny apps, and I recommend personally from my experience you must have to use tiny apps as this one AI marketing manager. It's really save your time and improve your and grow your business. So thank you for your time to watch this video. I hope you understand the full details why you should use Tiny Einstein AI marketing manager tools for your marketing, grow your business, and of course I recommend to try this Tiny Einstein app and use the promotion code from the description below of this video so that you get the discount as you are the subscriber of my YouTube channel. Also, you can contact with me if you need any service support relevant Shopify and Tiny Einstein marketing tools integration. Have a nice day. Bye bye.